All right, so if you guys can see, the WYBOT works well for pretty much any type of pools, above the ground pools, and of course full pools. Now, one of the best things I like about the system, they actually give you the hook so you can grab it from anywhere in case it's away from the actual wall where you cannot hold on to it. Power button, when you turn it on, it turns on blue. If it needs charging, it's going to indicate red. To turn it off is also indicating red. Now, there is a USB charging station in case you live in a location where not enough sun is hitting through the day, you need extra charge, you could charge it through here. Now, like I said, it has been plenty of bumpers. The thrusts are also located 2 in the back and 2 in the front to actually manage itself and control itself left to right. Now, you do have bumpers in here, and they're sensor bumpers that it recognizes. This is the larger mouth to take the intake of all the trash and bugs and any kind of foliage that you have above it. For that, you can flip it over and it stands up pretty good like this. All right, so if you're ever looking out for a skimmer just like this, it could do pretty much above pools and full pools. Okay, so I do have an above ground pool here, you guys can see, and it is filthy with all sorts of particles, bugs. Look at that, bugs in the water, leaves. Alright, so we just finished concluding our actual pool cleanup. There it goes. Push it. There it goes. The whole thing comes out. Here we have it. We could start cleaning up, pick up, and it could send it through the corners, smart mode or standard mode. You could remote into it. Now, check this out, guys. Every leaf, every little tiny little mosquito bug that fell during the summer, gone. What the pump can't do, the WYBOT could clean up everything on the top. It lasts for many hours. It charges through the day and it works through the night. So make sure you turn it on maybe at night so it could do the cycle. That's all you got to do. So for above pools, if you guys have a above pool like I do, a smaller one, that's a perfect device for that.